Hi there everyone. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to back into a parking space on the left. Now this is how they treat you when you go for a driving test. They wait until you're back in the parking lot and the examiner could say, okay, back in on the right, and they say which lane. So if they tell you to back into this lane and you end up in that lane, they'll fail you because it means you don't know what you're doing. So anyway, in this case I'm gonna be backing in on the left beside that black SUV over there. So I make sure my car is in the middle of the parking lot. Just leave enough space on the left so another car could get by you. And of course I put my left signal on, indicating that I want to park on the left. So I go straight. Now I intend to back into this lane right here beside this black SUV. So what I do, I keep going straight until the back of my car is in the middle of this lane, not the middle of the SUV, because as you can see, the tires closer to the yellow line here as opposed to over there. So if you use the middle of the black car, then it will throw you into two lanes. So you need to be in the middle. The back must be in the middle of the actual lane. Okay, so we keep going until it's about there. Place the gear selector to reverse. Now get all the turns in to the left and then start moving. And you keep going back, just keep going and keep checking like crazy all around the car. And we're gonna end up in this lane with this green car, which is opposite the parking space. So we go around until the car is straight. It's absolutely straight. But remember, the wheels are turned all the way to the left. So now we need to straighten. Clock, then clock again. That means the wheel is straight. And all you have to do is check like crazy while backing into the space. Okay, just keep checking. Go all the way in. Now see, I have my backup camera on, but I don't trust these things. Alright, I need to check. I don't want the car to check for me. I'll do my own checking. And as you can see, the car is absolutely straight. And see that car there? So we're done. So I can put my gear selector to neutral, and then I apply the parking brake over here. Just pull this and then it shows up here that it's a parking brake, and then I press park. There. And that's all there is to it. Of course, if you're leaving the car, then you shut the car off. In this case, it's a push button start. I'd press that, but I'm not going to turn it off right now. I have the air conditioning going. It's a very hot day here in Canada. Okay, so that's how you would do your it's called angle parking, or they'll just say back in on the right or back in on the left. So what you can do now is you can replay the video, watch it on your phone, or watch it on your big screen TV at home. All you have to do is go to YouTube and either type, well, on your phone you can just talk to the phone. You can say back into a parking space on the left, or it could be backing into a parking space on the right, and then you say driving buddy system. So it's DRIVING BUDDY SYSTEM. So once you ask for the topic that you need, so let's say it's parallel parking, you say parallel parking driving buddy system, and then it will show up on YouTube, and all you have to do is watch it, and then you can practice it, because it will tell you step by step how it's done. And all you have to do is put your phone down and just listen to it. You don't have to watch it anymore. Just watch it once and that should be enough. Put it down and listen to it. Just play it again. Go to the parking lot where you're going to practice and do it. All my students do this prior to going on their driving test. That's why I have a very high passing rate. and that's for every single student that I take to the driving test. They always practice using this system prior to taking the driving test. Hope you will too. Now this concludes this lesson, and hope you like it. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.